What do we even call this? Parang pasarong? Sarong ba yan? But I love it. I love it. Yes, you guys are all... Oh, because you guys are you guys from India? Is that a sari?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, let's give them a warm welcome to the Philippines. We have Kim Si-young fans who are joining us all the way from India. You guys flew in for this, yes? Amazing, amazing. Welcome, welcome. Beautiful, sorry, beautiful. Okay, who else? Do we have any more fans who traveled from outside of the country? Where are we from? Japan. Hi, Mimi. Japan? Is it Japan? Okay. Where else? Singapore. Okay, Singapore. Alaska? Canada. Oh my goodness. Nag-get sa yung parang sinabi niya, so yun kanina yung ginaya kayo pero ang